Are you kidding me? We wouldn't leave you behind. We're going to take you on an unforgettable day in Santiago, Chile. Let's go!
Santiago is such a huge place. It actually covers more than 245 square miles and has a whopping population of 5.6 million people. It is a city where you can really feel the vibe of the people through the art and graffiti that covers the walls everywhere you go. In a city this size, it's hard to know where to start, but I love a good gondola ride, so let's jump on a bus and head over to San Cristobal Hill to check out one of the most popular places in all of Santiago.
Here we are at San Cristobal Hill in beautiful Santiago, Chile. We are surrounded by beautiful murals, awesome, beautiful people, and San Cristobal Hill behind us here.
There are a couple of options to get to the top of San Cristobal Hill. If you're in better shape than me, you can walk up the steep 850 meters to get to the top. Or you can take a funicular, or you can take a scenic gondola ride.
We're going to take the funicular up to the top.
Wow, this is a ridiculous view, right? You can see just how vast Santiago really is. Sometimes in the city, when you're surrounded by the tall buildings, you forget that the majestic Andes Mountains are all around you. What an amazing view from the third tallest spot in Santiago.
Of course we had to try the mysterious peach and barley drink that I'm not going to even try to pronounce.
Mate con huesillo, sí. Medio litro vale 2,000 pesos. ¿Uno?
It's better than I expected. It's really sweet. It tastes like it has like syrupy peach juice in there with the fresh peaches. And the barley just adds a little bit of texture to it. It's actually kind of oatmeal-y. It's good.
San Cristobal Hill has more to offer than just an outstanding view. On its summit, there is a sanctuary dedicated to the Immaculate Conception, with a 22-meter statue of the Blessed Virgin Mary, an amphitheater, and a chapel. Within the pedestal of this massive statue, there is a small chapel in which Pope John Paul II prayed and blessed the city of Santiago on April 1st, 1987. The statue is lit up at night by lights placed on all sides, allowing it to be viewed from all over Santiago both day and night. Other popular features of San Cristobal are the Chilean National Zoo, a Japanese-style garden, and 2 municipal pools to cool down on a hot Santiago day.
Hey, as much as I love San Cristobal Hill, we better get going. We still need to eat, we still need to shop, we still need to check out more of Santiago's historic places. Let's roll.
Let's go ahead and jump on the metro train. It is the easiest, cheapest, and fastest way to get around this giant city. Let's head over to the famous Plaza de Armas, Santiago's city center. I've heard that this is sure to be an interesting experience where we will see some of the stark differences between American and Chilean culture. But first, what do you say we go get something to eat? I am absolutely starving. To get the truly authentic taste of Santiago, there's really one obvious choice for lunch: the Santiago Completo. This is a hot dog decked out with your choice of toppings including mayo, avocado, sauerkraut, salsa, maybe all of those together. It's generally served with a side of fries. It is a true high-calorie Santiago treat. This isn't a fancy meal by any stretch of the imagination, but when in Santiago, eat what the Santiago locals eat. Find yourself a little corner restaurant with some outdoor seating, sit down, do some people watching, and enjoy your completo in the Chilean sunshine. All right, on to the famous Plaza de Armas. This place is wild. As you look around, you can sense the history in your bones. You're surrounded by historic buildings, including the Metropolitan Cathedral of Santiago. It dates all the way back to 1748. The Central Post Office Building, the National History Museum of Chile, and the buildings that serve as the seat of local government for Santiago even today. The architecture is out of this world on these buildings. You could spend a day just soaking in the fine details of the Metropolitan Cathedral. You're surrounded by swarms of locals and tourists alike as you make your way through this central park. There's a stunning fountain in the middle of the park and statues around the perimeter denoting Santiago's founder and its rich history. As promised, I was also struck by a cultural difference from America. Prostitution is legal in Chile, and Plaza de Armas has that predominantly on display. Obvious prostitutes openly walk around looking for clients in the park. Certainly not something I'm used to as an American, but it really didn't bother me. It just added to the excitement of the adventure. Hey, we still need to get some shopping in, and I noticed one of the streets surrounding Plaza de Armas looked like it had a really epic local market. Let's go check it out. It is so fun walking through the waves of people in the markets, soaking in the smells of Chilean spices, the sounds of the vendors vying for your business, and looking for that perfect purchase that you can bring home to remind you of your epic day in Santiago. There's no shortage of awesome local artisans selling unique Chilean goods to anyone interested. You can find just about anything you need in these local markets. Prices are negotiable, but you need to speak a little Spanish to get the price you're looking for, as most Chileans don't speak a lick of English.
You aren't going to believe this. I was able to snag some tickets to the Santiago Ballet tonight. Come on, we got to get going or we're going to miss the show.
We are sitting here in front of the Teatro Municipal, where we are about to go see the Nutcracker Ballet performed by the Santiago Ballet. The only seats left were those with no view at all. So I don't know if we're sitting behind a pillar or what, but I guess we'll be able to hear it. I'm hoping that I'll be able to get a bit of a glimpse.
The Teatro Municipal National Opera House of Chile is the most important stage theater and opera house in Santiago, Chile. It's been the premier stage in Santiago since 1857. It's been through 2 major earthquakes, severely damaging the theater, but was quickly reconstructed both times.
No, we made it into the ballet. This place is really cool. It's got this huge mural on the ceiling.
Just entering this magnificent building is going to bring us closer to the spirit of Santiago, its people, its art, and its history.
Man, that was an unforgettable day in Santiago, Chile. If you liked that one, you should also come with us to Kata Beach in Thailand. You can check that out here. Hey, you made it all the way to the end of this video. That means you liked it. So why not hit that like button? Why not hit that subscribe button? We're going to be talking about our experience in Santiago, Chile pretty soon. We're going to be going to Brazil. We're going to be going to Peru. We're going to be doing more cruises. We're going to be making great videos. Hit that like and subscribe, and hopefully we will see you soon.